The 2025 Maruti Baleno's new grey color option is designed to stand out while maintaining the sleek and contemporary look that the Baleno is known for. This refined grey hue is available alongside the existing color palette, offering customers more choices to personalize their car. The grey finish adds a premium touch, making the Baleno appear more elegant and giving it a modern edge on the road. The smooth curves and bold design elements of the Baleno are enhanced by this color, providing a sharp contrast to the more traditional shades available in the market. Whether in daylight or under artificial lighting, the grey shade highlights the car's sculpted body lines and creates an aura of sophistication, perfect for those looking for something more subtle yet striking. Interior, comfortable and modern design. Inside, the 2025 Maruti Baleno continues to impress with a spacious and well-designed cabin. While the exterior color option has changed, the interior remains as practical and stylish as ever. The seats come in premium fabric or leather, depending on the variant, and the dashboard features a modern design with intuitive controls. The grey exterior perfectly complements the interior, enhancing the car's upscale appeal. Performance and features. The 2025 Maruti Baleno maintains the excellent performance that it is known for. It offers a refined driving experience with its fuel-efficient engines, including the 1.2 liters petrol and mild hybrid powertrains. The car's suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, while its responsive handling makes it a joy to drive in both city traffic and on highways. The Baleno is also equipped with the latest tech and safety features, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a rear-view camera, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, like lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking. Why the grey color makes a difference? The introduction of the grey color is a strategic move by Maruti Suzuki to cater to customers who want a more sophisticated and understated look for their vehicle. While other car brands may focus on louder, more vibrant hues, the Baleno's grey variant strikes the perfect balance between elegance and modernity. This shade, coupled with the car's premium features and stylish design, will undoubtedly attract those looking for a car that reflects their refined taste and individual style. A stylish and versatile choice. The 2025 Maruti Baleno Grey variant brings something new to the table in terms of design while preserving all the qualities that make the Baleno a popular choice among compact hatchback buyers. Whether you're seeking a stylish, practical city car or something that stands out with sophistication, the new grey variant of the Baleno offers the perfect blend of performance, design, and features.